So we should have 1/2 times 6.2 plus 8.6. So again, if we add the two, what is 6.4 plus 8.6?
14.8.
Okay, so we have 1/2 times 14.8. So again, whether you do 1/2, you do 0.5, you do dividing by 2, it's all going to come out to be the same and become that 7.4 that we were asking for. So all of these should be perfectly fine. Okay, we'll do one more and then we'll move on to the second piece. So try number 4 here. Huh? There's actually about 6 different pieces, I think. But they all work similar.
6. He said 6.
I think.
Huh? It's a little bit too much.
I think you'll do it.
I don't think so.
You've lived this long.
Barely.
So you barely hang on every day.
Yup.
I will be back in bed.
A lot of people do. Alright. 32.
You got 32?
No.
Okay.
92.
Huh?
92. I'm joking.
They're lying like you are.
Oh.
Joking.
Shouldn't say. Oh.
You know, if you can lie, then they can lie. Okay.
87.
Has everybody finished?
No.
No.
Somebody's the first one done.
He's the first one lying.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Somebody's at my door.
Don't be rolling
Yeah.
your eyes at me. I
Don't
think
do
the
that.
whole
No.
stuff focus on the big time.
Dang it.
Jerica?
Martinez,
I
man.
don't know what it's like over my, I ain't thinking over there. Hold it down for me now, you too late.
Okay. Okay, we done?
Yeah.
Okay, what did we get?
23.
23.
You can't say I was waiting because I was the first one.
Yeah, and you actually had that one right.
Yeah, I had
Okay.
it right too.
So we have 1/2 times 12 plus 34. So when we added those, what did we get?
Look good.
46.
You better get
46.
We're all supposed to be up here. This is the only place we're supposed to be. So we ended up with what? 46. And then, of course, half of that times 1/2 times 0.5, whatever it is going to give us our 23. So, any questions if all they give you is what you got here on the first floor? If they give you the top, they give you the bottom, all you got to do is fill it in and you should be perfectly fine, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Can we do a couple more?
What do you need to do? If all you're doing is filling in and adding.
I just want to make sure I have it down. Or I don't do repeat the last one.
Well, I've only got 5 in there through one of them, so you might as well do
Let's
the
do
5th one.
last one.
So this is the only other one I've got in this set.
I don't even play like this.
So let's do the last one here. Might as well do the last one I got before we move on.
But that scared me.
Is that to do with Wi-Fi school operations?
No, that has nothing to do with Wi-Fi. Didn't you hear them say they're working on the intercom?
Resume normal school operations.
It was during housing, so it might have been a little harder here.
Let's focus back on our problem.
I'm pretty sure that alarm means that there's an intruder. And to shut off all lights and continue with work.
Cut off all lights and continue. Wait.
Yeah.
How you gonna cut? If it's a shooter in the middle, you gonna keep talking.
You gonna die?
Stop talking.
I'm saying.
And work.
Okay. Hey, did I get this right?
Well, I don't know. What are we looking at?
Number 5.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what number 5 I do.
See, it's on the board.
But I don't know what the answer is.
Okay, did you see the answer?
Yeah?
Is that the right answer?
Yeah.
Okay then.
Come on now, you do your homework.
Hey,
I'll be even more proud.
that's not even in my dictionary.
I know. That's why it says 0, 0.
It really don't. It say like 0,
10%, baby.
0,
10 out of 10,
2, 0.
2 out of 1, 100, 0,
20.
0, 0, 0.
That's
I actually got a good
Zero,
grade in
zero,
here,
zero.
actually, so.
That's bad, baby.
Shut up.
I don't even
Hey.
know my grades, but I know I'm
I thought we all be quiet.
Can you tell me what my grade is?
Did y'all need to just make up one? Cause I don't know what I are right now.
35.
Oh, I'm asking if you can check it for me outside.
Yes, I can do that.
Can I do, can you check mine too?
I don't know if you behave, I can.
I'm doing good all day so far.
I don't know about this class, I mean, until this class.
Oh, my other class, I don't act up.
Oh, good, you just save it for me.
Yeah,
Well, thank you, I appreciate
keep
it.
it bottled up.
Okay, what did we get?
13.
13.
0.
Okay, so we have 1/2 times 11.8 plus 14.2. So again, if we add these two, right here, what are we gonna have?
26.
We're gonna have 26.
26.
So then again, if we multiply that, divide it, whatever we do, we're gonna end up with our 13.
14.
So, question.
9.
So the first set of your homework is gonna be doing this exact thing.
How many sets of homework we got?
We don't know if we get through.
It's in sets. What?
Am I gonna need more paper than just 5 sheets?
No, I think you'll be fine with 5 sheets.
Cause I got 5 sheets.
Okay, here's number 6. Now number 6 is the exact same thing,
But what? What's the twist?
but what does it give you?
The middle.
It gives you the middle this time.
Oh, you gotta, wait.
Now,
Do you solve for x?
let me talk.
See,
Now, last time you had to tell me what what the middle was. This time they tell you what the middle is, so we still have to plug everything back into that same formula. But instead of solving and finding what the middle is, we already know what it equals. So here's what we're going to do with number 6. We're going to take the middle, okay? So whatever that middle is, we're going to set it equal to the same thing we had a while ago, which is that 1/2 times the top plus the bottom. So you're going to take your middle piece and set it equal to whatever you had from before. So what is our middle this time? 2x minus 7. So now that's going to equal that 1/2 times, again, the top plus the bottom. So that's going to be 8 plus 10. So again, if I add these two, I now have 2x equals 1/2 times 18. So what is half? Or what do I get when I multiply this by 1/2? I get 9, right? So you end up with 2x minus 7 equals 9. And you should know how to finish solving that.
I don't even know.
That's just a regular equation that we've had 900 times before.
She gonna say it.
So now, what do we do?
You guys should
Add 7. Because remember, if it says subtract, you do the opposite, which is add. So now we have 2x equals
My brain's going the longer I
16. So now,
Divide by 2.
divide by 2. So now x equals 8.
My brain's going the longer I stay here, I'm getting more and more brain dead. I said subtract 7.
So, question.
Nope.
So it's taking what we've already done and taking it one step further. We continue to do what we had already done. We did that on this side. But now we've got to carry it one step further by finishing and solving.
So,
So you keep on adding to
example of you.
Huh?
That's it. You don't do
That's it. Because all you had to do was solve for x.
See, how many of you were practicing though?
Well, there's still 5 of them, so
To practice?
that's how many I've got. That doesn't mean we'll do 5. We
That's
did
something
5 a while ago because everybody kept saying, well, I need another one. I need another one.
Technically,
You
it's
can
only
do
one
one,
of
there's
them,
another
so.
one on though.
So-
I want another one really easy.
No.
Let's do number.
I'm pretty sure no, you should know.
Put that up, and let's do number 7. So number 7, no sir. I say put it up. So number 7, we're doing the same thing. So what I tell you to do, you're going to take the middle piece. So that's the x plus 25. And you're going to set it equal to that same stuff that you had up there on 1 through 5. So that's the 1/2 times, and what's on the inside? 24 plus 44. So that's the piece now that you should actually be solving to find x.
Do we got y'all these things?
No. So now we need to add 24 and 44 first. Should be fairly easy because you've got a calculator in your hand. So if I add 24 and 44, I'm going to get 68. So now if I take half of that, I'm going to get what?
34.
34. So now, all you gotta do is finish solving. So
Right,
now to
right.
finish solving it, I do what?
Subtract 25.
Subtract 25. So subtract 25 from both sides,
X equals
and x is gonna equal 9. There's no division on this one because x is by itself. It does not say 2x, it doesn't say 3x, it just says x. So since x is by itself, all we have to do is stop now.
I want to clarify, if we have negative 1x, we don't have to put 1, do we? It can just be negative x.
Now you cannot stop as long as it says a negative x.
Yeah, I know, but
If it says negative x right here,
you're gonna have to divide.
you're gonna have to divide, yes.
But you don't have to put the 1.
No, you do not have to put the
in
1.
x. Okay.
Yes. As long as you remember in your head that that's a 1, then you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've done 2, walked you through these, so you should be able to try number 8 now, without me.
Oh.
And let's see what happens with number 8 here. So try number 8 here. You should get should be a single digit whole number. If you solve it correctly. Single digit whole number. So if you get anything other than a single digit whole number, then that means I need to look at it in a minute when everybody's done. Keegan, you do not have to draw that. You're wasting more time drawing than you are just working.
That was a weird sound.
would like to, you can show me that you divided that. But yes, that would be correct.
We saw the people checking on. Same.
That is correct.
This is easy.
That is correct.
Still ain't gonna do the homework.
We know.
I would not be surprised by that. That is correct.
At least you know I can do it because I showed it to you in class.
Now, if you could just do something for your homework and get grade, that would be great.
You should take the notes for a grade.
Instead of me having to email and say, look, I know we can
No,
do it,
don't
he's
do
just too
that.
lazy
No.
to do it.
No, don't get it.
You'll get whooped.
See, since
Oh,
the notes
you
are
whooping?
for a group, you don't have to
You get
take
whooping.
notes. You
You
can
gotta
just
whoop it since like
follow along in your
sixth
head.
grade.
Since do your job and I won't have to email.
Since the notes
Don't even
are
think
not
about it.
for a
Last time I
group.
got whooped, I got
You
killed
tell me what I
Saturday.
can and can't think about.
No, I'm just asking you politely, please do not think about it.
Okay. Everybody should be just about done.
I'm almost there.
Why do you take forever to do this?
So she's drawing the picture.
I'm sorry, I like everything to be fast.
She's drawing the picture, then working it, so it's taking her a little bit longer.
Well, we doing the problem, so
Okay, you
let's draw
done?
the picture.
Okay, what's our answer?
No.
9.
Yeah.
So did everybody get 9?
I had to try it. Anyhow.
Okay. Anybody I need to work it out for that did not get 9?
You got none.
Okay. Let's do at least one more before we move on.
By ourselves.
Yes.
At nine.
So here's problem 9. And no, the answer is not 9. When I got 3 in a row. This is a single digit though, but it is not 9.
Huh?
We've already had 2 9s in a row, but this is not a third one.
Alright.
Single digits.
I thought you were going soft on us.
Nope, not that nice.
No, this is easy. She's not showing off the big guns yet.
Mm-hmm, she's fancy.
What do you say about me? I mean?
Cause now you think it's easy, but watch, you gonna be like, it's a letter in here, you gotta figure out what M is, then you gotta figure out Z and all that.
Nah, she won't do that.
She and me.
She won't.
I do
that's
whatever
actually
it tells me to do.
I don't think you should follow by the book.
I'm not following by the book, I'm following by my paper.
With a paper, I don't think you should do it.
You shouldn't go ahead and give us the answer.
I do, it gives it to you in random order occasionally.
I'm talking about the answer sheet.
Then, well, no, that don't work.
We'll pass fast. We gotta do the whole year. I can't be no teacher.
Have you done your problem?
I can give kids all the answers.
Oh, look, so now we're gonna do.
Get your education.
I gave kids all the answers.
Come on, finish.
Is this right? Are you want to wait?
That is correct.
Can you come check 26 minutes left?
No.
Oh, yeah, put 9, please.
Done.
That is correct.
Those are fun.
That is correct. That is correct. That is correct.
Well, she's smart.
She knows me. She always does her stuff, I don't have to worry about her.
Alright, so,
She gotta work
I'm gonna do homework, and I'm coming tomorrow, and I'm gonna
This is her free time, so she.
Tomorrow's review day.
go bang the cook with on her desk, what you be doing
She's
next?
not asleep.
She's a good child.
She's already answered your
No,
question.
no,
Said I'm not
she's a good
asleep.
child. She's a good child.
No, I'm a good child. I'm fair on it.
She has like a 90-something average.
And I got like the
I want that
6
grade.
yards.
Yeah, nice and average, doesn't it?
Yeah, really good.
Me and her just
The
was.
last time.
Look here. Sometimes the whole thing is that the teacher wants.
Okay, so Miss Susan, I'm gonna teach you, how I'm gonna teach, and you can teach it.
I'm gonna teach you how I'm gonna wake you up.
You gonna wake me up. What's that speech?
Is this why I looked on one of the video lessons?
No,
one
Sierra,
time
I don't even have to walk
half of
to go
it,
get
because
one.
half of it was just this.
Huh?
I said, is this what this was when I looked on the video lessons one day and I had to skip half of it because
Oh, Lord.
half of it was just this.
Yeah, so what's our answer here to number 9? 2. The answer should be 2.
I know it is, right?
Yay! I got it right.
Okay, so any problems here with anything on 6, 7, 8, or 9?
Nope.
What about 10?
No,
10's the same thing as those 4.
I was finna say, I ain't finna do no 10.
Yeah, let's not do this.
No, we're gonna go to 11.
What's 11?
11's different.
Okay.
You trying to work us a deal for
Yeah.
I ain't trying to lie.
So,
Can I get my eye?
So what's the point of going all the way to 9 and then skipping 10?
well, it just saves us one problem that we don't have to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so this will probably be the last set that we do today.
For real.
Hey,
Homework already.
We got accept homework.
no, we don't. Now,
You want to?
IXL is not very fun.
Hang on.
It's just
Hey.
tedious things.
I can't hear Leo.
I was wondering if it was like a full square or if it's slanted around.
It's actually slanted a little bit on this side. That side is pretty much straight up, but this side is slanted just a little
Wait,
bit.
this
Does it matter
or
though?
this
It's
one?
Trapezoids do have at least one side that is slanted.
Wait. Is this
wait,
like
wait.
hipster side? It's like this or this?
What? This one?
wait.
This one is slanted this way.
I
We
think
got
that
you
one's
all.
a little bit
Just a
slanted.
little bit. This one, it might be slanted just a little bit, but it looks more straight up.
No.
I think it looks slanted. just a
But
tiny
they
bit.
usually have at least one side that is slanted.
Like that one looks like a 91-degree angle or something.
No, it's that. Look
So,
on top.
Hey,
We got.
Now. number 11. Gentlemen, if y'all would like to double your assignment while everybody else has less than you, that's fine. Keep talking. Yeah, you're still talking. Now, number 11. Number 11 is the same thing, except what this time?
You got a question?
You have to figure out what the top one is.
Now you have to find the top.
That's hard.
So now you're going to have to find either the top or the bottom. So you're still plugging it back into that same form again that we just got through using.
First one or second one?
The second one, the one we just got through using. The middle equals that same form. When the one that says middle equals the one
I know
half,
which
that
one you're
one.
talking about.
Well, then stop looking at me like I'm crazy.
Because you sound, I don't know.
So we're still using that middle equals the 1/2 times the top plus the bottom. So we're still using that form. Okay, the one that we just got through using on the previous 4 problems. Now, what we need to do is we need to fill in the pieces that we know. So, can we fill in the middle?
Yes.
Yes. The middle is 11.2. Now, can we fill in the top?
Can you show
No.
the rest of that, please?
Hang on. The top we can't fill in, so I'm going to have to just call it X. The bottom I can fill in, and it's going to be 10.5.
We can't even see what you write.
So, here's what I've got. I filled in the pieces that I knew. The middle, the top I didn't know, so it became X. The bottom I could fill in, and it was 10.5. Now, can I add together an X and a 10.5?
No.
No, I can't add them like I did on the previous problems and get 22 or 46 or anything like that. So, what we're going to have to do is do a little thing that we've done before.
Combine like.
No. There we go. We're going to have to use this right here and get rid of it. So, just easily multiply this by 2,
See.
which is going to disappear this.
Right, that's,
So, if I multiply this by 2,
but the blue corner.
It's gonna be 22.4.
so let's try this again now that everybody will pay attention. I cannot multiply, well, number one, I can't add these two. So, what I need to do is I need to get rid of this fraction because most of you can't work with fractions, as we've already determined. So, I'm going to get rid of this by multiplying over here by 2. So the easiest thing is if I cannot add, then multiply over here by 2. Am I going to multiply over here by 2 every time? Yes, because this is always going to be 1/2. This is always 1/2.
So what you do when you?
So, what am I going to get when I do 2 times 11.2?
22.4.
I'm going to get 22.4. Now, what was the point in that?
I don't even know.
Because now this is gone, and all I have left is this.
That's an equation.
All I have left is x plus 10.5.
Subtract.
And I should be able to solve.
Yeah, basically.
When I multiply that side by 2, it frees up the inside of that parenthesis. The 1/2 has disappeared. So now all you should have to do is what?
Minus 10.5.
Subtract 10.5. So your answer is going to be whatever you get when you subtract.
11.09.
Okay, you are going to get 11.9. So we're using the same form over and over and over again, just slightly different in each set of problems. Okay,
We do another.
so we're going to do the same exact thing on the next one.
Like by ourselves.
Number 12.
So,
Oh, it's too far.
number 12, right here. Go ahead and set up your form. So you're still using the middle equals the 1/2 times the top plus the bottom. And then fill in the pieces that you can. I don't know who you want to be tired anymore. Okay, you should be filling this in by now. Is that all you can get out of that one? All needs to be thrown away. Now, has everybody filled in their form?
No.
Because if you had taken and filled in these pieces into your new form, you should have the equation that you're working with. So what is our equation this time going to say? Hopefully it says 15.7 equals 1/2. And then what's in parentheses? 11.8 plus x. Okay? Is that what everybody got? So now from there, just repeat exactly what I did a while ago. I cannot add 11.8 and x. So what did I do? Instead of adding those, I got rid of the fraction by doing what?
Multiplying the middle by 2.
Multiplying that middle by 2. That removed the fraction. So what did I get instead?
31.4.
Am I going to have to say no charging of phones whatsoever if we can't stop talking about all that mess back there? Well, then let's stop when I'm talking. What do I get?
31.4.
31.4 right here. When I multiplied, and that's going to be equal to your 11.8 plus x. So then all you got to do is simply subtract, and you got your two answers. So if I subtract 11.8,
19.6.
I should end up with X equals
Normal school operations.
19.6.
I don't even play like that.
Code green. Resume normal school operations.
Okay, so any questions? So you have these three sections that you're going to be working on. Now, actually, there are 3 more sections left.
We're gonna do those
But,
tomorrow.
hey, listen.